Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to remove the extension of files from the list. Okay, so for example here the uh, list one file name is document, so from that document I need to remove the .txt. Okay, so now let's take one example. Okay, here I take document document.txt. Okay, so first what I need to do, I need to split this file using dot. Okay, 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 let me change into the my file. I take document1.txt for example. Okay, so you can see in this case when I split the file by dot, then it split into the one string is document, another one number, and next one is text. Okay, so in that by slice 0:-1 slicing I can remove the .txt file. Okay, so my file changed, just contain document as a one list element, and another one is the one. Okay, so I need to join this. So how I can join this? By using join method. Okay, and I pass here file changed. Okay, let me assign this file to the result variable. Okay, and when I print the result, you can see here, let me do this. Okay, so you can see here document.1, so it just remove the .txt, which is the extension of that file. So same thing I want to do for all the files. So same logic I use in it into the for loop. You can see here, for file I need to take it from file name list. Okay, so after that you need to use the we need to store this into the result variable dot join. Okay, and in join I can pass file dot split dot I need to take 0:-1 outside that split bracket. So let me do this. Okay, now I am printing the result. You can see when I run this code, you can see here all the file name has been printed, and it removes the extension of all those files. You can see here, for example, document file extension remove, report.vn.doc files .doc extension remove. Okay, so in this way we can directly remove the extension of our file. Thank you friends.